Hey girl, wanna see how I got this look? Let's go. Girl, there is no time to ramble. I gotta put y'all on to all of these holy grail products that you can find at your local Sephora and Ulta. Let's go. First, I start off with my e.l.f. toning face primer. Now, I love this face primer. e.l.f. has really great, affordable products, and this one is infused with green tea. I've never actually used this one before. I can't remember the other one that I used, like their primer, but when I grabbed this one, I was like, oh yeah, this one is it. It glides on your skin like butter, and usually, you know, I just rub it in my skin. I kind of do it like lotion a little bit. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's what I do, girl. Whatever's left over, I just go ahead and rub it into my hands, and I just keep it moving, you know. We don't waste no product over here, honey. I'm gonna be honest with you. I never understood the point of securing the brows using brow gel until I did it. Girl, don't skip the step. Trust me, you have to do it. Securing the brows are important. It just elevates the look. It keeps those hairs in place, and yeah, just do it, girl. Trust me. I use Juvia's palette. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my absolute favorite, but it gets the job done. I like to carve my eyebrows out with the same foundation, or a foundation that's closer to my skin tone. I'm not really a fan of the super light underbrow look. I don't know, it's just not my preference. So I carve it out with the foundation that's closest to my skin tone. You know what's wild? I don't see too many makeup routines where the girlies are showing the brow process. They always do it like off camera, which nothing is wrong with that, but I want to see the process. So I went ahead and did that for y'all. So I hope y'all appreciate it. Just remember, brows are sisters. Sometimes they cousins, and sometimes they cousins twice removed. Just try to get them as close to looking similar as you can, but it's never gonna be perfect, girl. So don't even sweat it. I like to go in with a concealer brush and drag it down to my eyelids. I always go for a more natural look, so that helps to kind of prep it for that. Then I just blend everything out with my beauty blender, get it all smooth. Now, this is the part where if you don't take anything away from this video, make sure you take this. Girl, get the Dior foundation. My bestie put me on, and I'm never going back. It's so light and airy, and you won't even know you have it on. Girl. And it lasts all day long. I'm telling you, you have to try it. Now, I have the matte, but they also have the glow collection, which is dewy. Just try it, I'm telling you. After I apply my foundation with the brush, I like to go in with my beauty blender just to blend everything out. You want to make sure everything is seamless. You don't want to tell like where your concealer begins, foundation ends. You want everything to just come together. So your beauty blender is going to do that. Make sure it's damp. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Now, I wasn't too crazy about this at first, but I think it was the foundation I was using. So this one with the Dior foundation complements each other so well. So that'll be my combo from now on. I just spread it under my eye, and then I take it down my nose. And you can do your forehead if that's where you want your highlight. I think somebody said you weren't supposed to spray, but I do it anyway. Don't tell nobody. Make sure that you blend out your concealer really well. You don't want any flashback. I mean, when you bake, it's going to help with that, but make sure you also are blending it into your hairline, because you just want, again, everything to be seamless. You don't want to be able to tell where things begin and end. So blend, blend, blend. Y'all, don't yell at me too bad, but my camera cut off. I didn't even realize until I started doing my lashes, but I was like, let me go ahead and still do this tutorial. Bear with me, y'all. It's not for long. So after I finished baking and setting my under eye with the Huda Beauty Kunafa, I went in with my contour palette. I used Black Radiance, and I just went along my cheekbones just like that. And I also make sure to just blend into my hairline. That's just super important to me. And then I did my nose. And then there goes that beauty blender. You just want to make sure that you're blending everything out. Go ahead and blend that contour if you need to. I absolutely love this blush by e.l.f. It's extremely pigmented. It's affordable. I believe it's like $7. 2 dots goes a long way, so that's all you need, girl. I mean, unless you like a lot of blush, it's up to you. Just make sure you blend it out with your beauty blender, of course. Make sure it's damp. This really just brings the look together, in my opinion. I love blush. I got a little carried away with the blush, so I had to go back in with my contour brush and just clean it up a little bit so everything is seamless. And then I took the excess and just dabbed it on my eyelids to bring together that natural look. So now my eyelids match my cheekbones. After you set your face, it's time to apply those lashes, girl. That's my absolute favorite part, is the lashes. I mean, besides the lips. Lips and lashes, absolute fave. Child, I got impatient. Is anybody else like that? I was like, let me go ahead and put this lash on and let me see if it's gonna stick. And of course, it didn't stick. So I'm like, oh my gosh. And I'm used to using the black duo. Of course, the store was sold out, so I had to settle for the white. And look where that got me. So I had to make it work. I'm like, you know what? Let me just take my time, breathe. And finally, I got it to stick. I was like, you know what? It's not even really on there that good, but it's about to be on there that good because I'm not doing it over. Anybody else get like that? I love a good lip liner that's pigmented, and baby, Juvia's does it every single time. I love the color Brownie. It's the perfect shade of brown, and I just go in and I line my lips with that because I always use that as my base. Next, I go in the shade Love Me, and I just make sure that I line my entire inner lip. Look at there. That's a lip combo for you, boo. I finish everything off with my setting spray, and that's pretty much it, girl. We are done. The look is complete. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a brown heart below, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you Sunday. Bye.